Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and today I'm making some cornbread. This recipe includes milk, butter, 2 packs of Jiffy corn muffin mix, and 3 eggs. Make sure to preheat your air fryer toaster oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now get a mixing bowl and pour in the 2 packs of the Jiffy corn muffin mix. Once you've poured in the 2 boxes, use a fork to get all the lumps out. It's important to ensure a smooth and even texture in the finished product. Once you've removed all the lumps, crack 3 eggs into the bowl to make it fluffy. Now you can either add 1 1/4 cup of whole milk or oat milk. Oat milk is what I usually use, but since we don't have that, we're using whole milk. And once you've added the milk, mix it all up until smooth. And our final ingredient is going to be our 7 tablespoons of melted butter. Add it to the mixture and mix everything. This is optional, but since it's October now, I like to add a dash of pumpkin pie spice. Add it to the mix, and after that, grease your pan up with butter and pour the mix into the pan. We're only going to use half of the mix. We'll use the other half of the mix for another batch. Now let's bake this in the oven for 45 minutes, and once you take it out, let it cool for 10 minutes. Also, if you're wondering how to say cornbread in Spanish, it's pan de maíz. Alright, the cornbread's done. And I got it with a side of rice and beans that my grandma made. Alright, it's time to try it. So good. You know, I don't even taste the pumpkin pie spice, but just tastes like regular cornbread. And try with the beans. And this hot pepper. This is good. Oh no, spicy. This is so. Oh no. Alright, I'm gonna drink some water. Nice. It's not working, but anyways, this cornbread right here, it's so buttery, sweet. It really goes good with the rice and beans. Yeah. But anyways, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace, and you're gonna eat your cornbread. Beans and cornbread. Woo!